And here I have 2 chicken thighs, which I think are better for this recipe. Here, you can remove any excess fat that there is. Cut it into small pieces. Now, about this size, it doesn't have to be too small either, okay? It's just that I like the chicken thigh because it's more tender than the chicken breast, right? It doesn't get as dry either. Just one. Set it aside here. And for this recipe, the more ginger, the better. Here we have about 3 centimeters of ginger. Just cut it into slices like this. And now into strips. It doesn't need to be too thin. It can be like this. Cut everything. Leave it aside too. And here, our chicken. Season with a little bit of salt. Not too much because later we'll add soy sauce plus half a teaspoon of lemon pepper. And mix. We're going to fry it now as well. Just mix it well. Done. A little oil in the frying pan. Add all the chicken. The ginger. And let it brown. A very easy dish and also very quick. For those days when you have no idea what to make, you can make this chicken here, have some hot rice and a salad, and that's already great. Let's see if it's a little more. Here, the meat is already browned. It's not raw anymore. Let's add the seasoning. A teaspoon of sugar. A tablespoon of mirin. And 2 tablespoons soy sauce. Now just let it cook until the broth dries up. Here the broth has dried up, just let it cook a little longer. And turn it off. Put everything here on the plate. Nori on top. A dish that Japanese people really like to make with pork. But this time, I decided to make it with chicken, and it turns out delicious.